Have fun at the dentist.
Oh, thank you so much.
I'm sure they'll be happy with you.
I'm thinking I'll be all right.
All right, I'll see you in a bit.
Yep.
I'm feeding those kitties.
That's right.
It's just a zoo first thing in the morning, trying to get everybody in front of a food bowl and nobody fighting each other. Keeps me hopping first thing. You haven't even had any coffee yet. Not too many times Don and Jules are gone and I'm still home. So I vacuumed out, sucked up, cleaned up the bay over here. Hey guys, cut it out. No. 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 Very smooth, very smooth. It's only 9:30. Are they happy with you?
Yeah, they're happy.
Okay,
No
good.
cavities, they'll follow up, 6-month appointment, and give me my goodie bag.
Good, good, good. Don's gonna go water the plants at the mailbox. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Wouldn't be a day at the life if Don wasn't on his unicycle.
All done.
All good?
All good.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's just not any fun carrying it all the way out there and back.
No.
Yeah, I mean, maybe if I was going out in Ruby, I'd put a half gallon of water in a sealed thing in the car or something, but I forgot to come back and film a clip yesterday, but I did process the recent Lego bags that came in the mail into the right bins, at least most of it. And I came along and added, I was like one row short, finished the windows and got that row on. These 1x1 sand green, this color bricks, I'm missing, but I had already ordered them. They're on the way. I think they'll be here today. So once I insert those 3 bricks, I can put the next floor on and continue up to the 3rd level. But I'm going to pause that for now because I need those bricks. This guy, I added the 2 lights on the front, and I think that's all I had to do to it yesterday. And I'm ready now. Oh yeah, and I replaced the arches that were in the right color. So I am ready to start with finishing this. A couple of, flat pieces with studs and then flat tiles. And the first floor will be finished. I did get a solid brown door, but I just don't like it. So even though it's weird to have a door with a window for the bathroom, I'm going to leave that door there. I like it better. And that's what Lego's all about, right? You can do it how you like it. Don's patent idea for the day.
Yeah. So, we have the A word that wakes her up and the G word that wakes the other one up. What I want on my phone, I'm on these conference calls, and I'm really only listening for my name when they say, hey, Don, or Don, do this. I need my phone to automatically unmute whenever it hears Don or hey Don or something like that. So I can then reply to whatever question was asked instead of me having to mute and unmute manually, because I fumble for my phone all the time.
Sounds like a good idea to me.
Yeah.
Anything to make it easier on you.
Absolutely.
All right, I'm stopping for now because I'm waiting on the second floor pieces, these flat pieces. So I can't really start on the next level up, and that includes one piece that goes here. Otherwise, the first floor is done though. I'm a little surprised, disappointed. They never put on the hinge pieces at the top to connect these. I just assumed there would be 2 layers of hinges and then one layer, you know, like one more brick up. I just sort of assumed that was going to. So I expect when the next level sits on top, there won't be a lot of movement, and it's reasonably sturdy. I was short this special piece here. The 2 dots with 2 flats in between, but 2 regular dots and a 1x2 flat in between handled that. And then the only other thing I would say is I really had to redo this area here 3 or 4 times. The view, the picture, the way they show it, it just doesn't quite it just doesn't make it easy to see how to do that step. But I really think it's fine. It's where it's supposed to be. And when I put the next floor on, if this step lines up, I'll know. Or I'll go back and I'll revisit it again. But done for today. I did what I wanted to do. What I can do. Johnny, the lucky kid that he is getting chicken breast tenders for lunch. I've got a Parmesan, coconut flour, spices mixture in that bowl, and then egg and salt in this bowl. So egg, coat in the bacon grease. I do let him have some organic Hidden Valley Ranch dressing with them. However, I don't recommend anybody eat this stuff. It's got soybean oil as the #1 ingredient, and it might be organic, but I still think it's a good idea not to consume soybean oil. So I wish they would choose a different oil. Stripes resting over there. And here comes Morris. Maybe he'll go cuddle up with his buddy. He's been out wandering. I'm talking soft because Tux is around the corner asleep, and I'd like him to stay there for right now. Johnny and I had to work pretty hard to make him calm down this morning because of all of the other quote-unquote cat activity in the yard today. I am going to head up to Guardian Angel Apex. I've got time and waiting on Legos, and it's a pretty day, and you know, all that good stuff. I'm actually meeting Michelle tomorrow at Guardian Angel Fuquay. But I just feel like getting out of the house for a while. It's around 1 p.m. Good afternoon, Ruby. 14 miles, 30 minutes up Highway 55 through Holly Springs to Apex. Obviously, the Hertz local business over here has the need to rent a lot of small vans. It's still a pleasant day out here today. They keep on promising us dry and hot by the weekend, though. Well, there's a very pretty older Model S. That sure is cute, isn't it? I sent Michelle a picture of the stall. We'll see what she says. I guess a lot of people get the turkey fryers, use them one time, or don't even use it and then give it away at some point. Lots of glass cutting boards today. Longer burger pie plate. Not bad. I have that. Unfortunately, I don't see any Lego. 4th of July, Annalie eating cotton candy. Longer burger basket, lid, plastic liner, and fabric liner. I left the cart here and pulled up and loaded up so I could leave the cart without having to walk out to the car and back twice. I'm just gonna head to the house now. I don't necessarily need to go to Whole Foods today. We could use some sour cream, but that's it, and I can get that at Harris Teeter. There was a big lit up sign that free COVID vaccines at Ting Park today over there. So I guess you just can show up. Hey, Donnie.
Hey, my poor girl's not feeling well.
Yeah, Johnny's gone to Michelle's and Dawn's taking me back to the ER. I'll spare you looking at the fear and pain in my face right now, but
Yeah, she looks pretty.
I'm not happy.
Yeah, she's upset, scared. Poor thing.
We're back in Jules and it's only 10 p.m.
Yeah, she's all fixed.
Well, I'm not fixed, but they're very convinced
Oh,
that...
that's right. She's all tested.
Right. They're very convinced that there's nothing wrong with my heart, although they would like me to do a stress test because of my age and just the general principle of the thing sometime within the next week.
Yeah.
I had one of those before back in 2017 and it went okay. And then, I don't know, follow up with somebody. It's probably a muscular skeletal issue and see if whatever's not where it's supposed to be that's causing me pain can be resolved, I guess. Yeah. But anyway, I get to go home and they didn't admit me and my heart's fine. I'm not having a heart attack.
Not having a heart attack.
So this ER had a 2-hour wait tonight and Don is a good hike away from the ER, but he found this very safe parallel parking spot way in the far corner of the parking area. So he did good. He did good. And we saw 3 or 4 other Teslas in the parking lot tonight. An X that obviously belonged to one of the doctors.
Yep.
And then some other Teslas too. At least a 3. And do you see 2 X's?
I think saw the X twice.
Right, and 2 3s. Yeah.
2 3s. That's right.
Don was curious if Walmart was staying open longer. And there sure are a lot of cars in the parking lot. I'd say they're open and it's 10:15 now.
Yes.
So I guess if you pause here, I'll try to read the hours on the door. 11 p.m., 7 to 11. So not what we once had, but still an improvement.
Yeah, pretty good.
Well, Grace, Leighton, and Tux were asleep in the garage. And Morris and Striper are over here in their chair. And I didn't have any Legos, but I did have other things delivered. You know, actually, there weren't any Legos in the mailbox, but I bet that's Legos right there.